Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how we can activate or use two WhatsApp account in the same Android device or same phone. So first of all, head over to your settings. You will see a top search bar, tap onto it and type in Dual Messenger. You will see Dual Messenger under Advanced Features. Go ahead and tap onto it. Now scroll below, you will see Dual Messenger. Tap on Dual Messenger. And you will see WhatsApp. You can do the same for your Snapchat, Facebook, whatever is shown in your screen. So toggle it on for WhatsApp. Then it will ask you if you would like to install a second copy of WhatsApp. Tap on install. Confirm your action. And if you would like to have separate contact lists, turn it on. You can also select contacts, but let's select next. Now you can also use your regular contacts, so I'm going to select OK for this. My device is turning on Dual Messenger. Once the process has been completed, if you head over to your home screen, you will see Dual WhatsApp. Now let's go ahead and search for WhatsApp. So I'm going to simply type in WhatsApp. Then you will see Dual right here. Now in here, tap on the WhatsApp that is showing a blue icon. This is the copy or the second WhatsApp. Go ahead, select agree and continue, and then continue to use WhatsApp with another number. Thank you for watching.